This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus an eBay auction listing. This is Norwex, ladies and gentlemen. And I don't have my trusty keys with me, so I'll just have to be extra careful not to cut myself or anything in here. And thank you, seller. You did a nice job of parceling this so far. Not any danger of coming out in the mail. And, oh, cereal box. We are recyclers. Thank you. I like that. Why buy packaging when you can just reuse it? Reuse other stuff. So, there we go. Nicely packaged. There we go. Now, over there. And, yes, more than adequate. Thank you, seller. And yet, easy to open. Haha. Very good. Yes. And this is the Norwex. Oh, Norwex and Lululemon order. Because he or she, forgot. Let me look at the package off camera. C. Smith. Well, very generic. The lovely seller had Lululemon. So I bought this one and two other ones. One of them was shipped separately. This, I believe, is too big for me, which is fine because it will be sold or resold or given as a gift. And, or it might fit if I put it over a sweater, which I've been known to do. There we go, Lululemon. Ooh. Very nice. Nice job, seller. And here's another one. I think these ones were marked as slightly damaged or whatever. That's fine. They're still lovely. That's actually not a thing. It's just a fuzzy. There we go. There. Yeah. Another nice Lululemon. So you try that one on later. I have to be careful with my neck and shoulder area because, oh, it's pet friendly. But it smells nice. A nice one. Also smells nice. These are sink mats. Tell me what a sink mat is, people, if you know. I don't usually make a habit of putting a mat in a sink, though I would see it as maybe a place to put kind of nubbly on the bottom, like those slippers that have little nubbles on it so you don't slip and slide on tile and so forth. Never seen that. I'll have to look it up on the website, see if they have these still in stock. And of course, it's absorbent microfiber with foam padding on the bottom, keeps the counter clean. Oh, okay. Well, they call it sink mat, but then they say keeping the counters clean and dry. Interesting. Set of 3. That is cool. Here, like that, and like this, and like that. Then, of course, with Norwex, they are very multi-purpose, even though, for instance, this one, which is called Scrub, I have one of these already somewhere. Really like it. It's, it's what it sounds like. It's scrubby and very good for getting crap off. And this is Kitchen. I have a couple of these. I really love these. I was just using one the other day. This one I don't believe I have. No, I do have Kitchen, but not this style. If it does actually matter the weave that they use. These are gently used. And this one, for instance, if you hold it up to the light, it's kind of, it dries quicker than the other ones, such as this one, which is filthy. I was cleaning the floor with it. And this one is a more tight weave. Can't see through it as easily. They do all dry quickly, though, comparatively speaking. And even if you leave it, like my dad has a habit of wet and in a big pile, it will still, over time, kill all the bacteria, or 99.9% of all the bacteria that tries to grow in there, as well as molds and mildews, and it's also good at trapping these things if you're scraping them off other things, such as the bacteria, which is what it's good for. Go like this, and the bacteria is trapped, and then there's no bacteria in there until, you know, the 1% takes over or some other ones are introduced. So anyways, yes, this was a very good auction. I think I paid, I mean, with shipping and handling, I think I paid about the same as I would get at Norwex, or maybe a little bit less. And for sure, this, I probably did not see it on a website, so it might be one of those ones that are discontinued, or at least not there all the time. So I don't mind paying a little bit more for stuff that I can't find online from the normal website or from wherever, because if you can't find it, you can't find it. If you have to pay more for it, that's fine. So, and these ones smell great. Yep, no problem. This is brand new, as far as I can tell. Those are going to be fun. And, of course, the Lululemon. Love me some Lululemon. Yes, they do cost a lot of money, but I've noticed that their ability to retain their shape is very impressive. My first Lululemon was a used tunic, which would come to about here on me, and had a little kangaroo pouch. Love it, love it, love it. And it gets a little out of shape if you wear it a lot, but then you wash it and dry it, and it goes right back into shape, and the pilling never happens, and just really good quality. And their ability to make you know, you look good and you feel supported and, you know, fashionable, and, you know, they're made for a whole variety of people's bodies, but they seem to fit really well no matter what you put on. Makes it worth the cost. I mean, having said that, I have never bought a Lululemon for the full price, but if pushed enough, and if I had the money, I probably would if I loved the item enough. You know, especially if I have one already. Well, that's neat. It has an inside pocket. I wonder if it has one on the other side. Nope. I guess that's going to be a place to put your wallet, or like your keys or something. So yeah. Again, Lululemon, ladies and gentlemen, one of my favorite companies, and I actually do happen to agree with what the owner says about things. I can't remember what the details are now. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Not COVID. And the Lululemon and the Norwex. So anyways, I hope everyone has liked what they see. If you do or do not, that's as you see fit. Comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, because sharing is caring. And I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome. Stay adventurous. Oh yeah.